welcome back to part 2. We just got done walking down this road, and yeah. Anyway, yeah, we're at my house now. We're at my house. Where the dog just came out of those trees over there. I'm gonna set you. Hopefully the dog can't keep me from right here. But anyway.
I don't think you can.
I'm like tired of walking. Okay, so that's Catherine, and I'm Bethany Wingard from Miss Reed's class in Hopeful Elementary. Oh my god, that is so cute. Yeah. Hold the phone for a second. Come
here, doggy. Go to Bethany.
No, don't lick me. Once we give you clean water, you can lick me.
Ooh, you need a bath. You just walk in a circle. I'm filming you walk in a circle.
He looks too skinny.
I think he should be fed more.
I think that was a yes from the dog.
Look at his tail. Look at his floppy. He's just like, don't film me, I'm too beautiful.
With all that dirt on, not taking the dirt. I'm gonna check the mail real quick. Stay. Walking down the street.
And there it is. Bethany checking the mailbox, and apparently is very mad at it.